Hello, my name is Dylan Lin. I am 9 years old for Dream Castle Learning Academy STEM Renewable Energy class. Today I am going to present my STEM project, Solar Mobile Home. Floods are common in Malaysia during monsoon season and cause damage to our home in a very short amount of time. Hence, I invented this solar mobile home from solving this problem. It uses only sunlight to operate it. You can move our home to anywhere you want by turn on the switch. Besides that, we can save more money for paying high electricity bill and energy to build a better future. Thank you. Bye.